Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to charge the battery of your DSLR camera here. This is DSLR camera, and if you would like to charge the battery of this DSLR camera, first take out the battery from the camera. Okay, go to the bottom side of our camera here, and you will find the battery tray here. Just pull out this, and you will see the battery here. Just take out of battery from your camera here. What you have to do is just press this knob, and the battery will come out from your camera, and take the battery from your camera here. Okay. Yes, I got taken it. And now you got to put this battery. You got to put this battery into charger. Okay, this is the battery charger, and I put it here in this position. Okay, switch off. Yes, see here, light is on and the battery is being charged. Okay, so in this way you can easily charge your battery of DSLR camera here. If this light turns to green, then you can understand that the battery is fully charged, and you can take it out from this charger, and you can put this battery back to your camera in case you want to shoot. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.